You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.